Let me be honest with you. Starting a travel YouTube channel without a travel budget is not easy. Sometimes you are so much excited. Sometimes you even ask yourself if you started at the right time. Because how do you create a travel content without even traveling yet? But here's the truth that nobody tells you. You don't need a travel budget to start a travel journey. You just need a decision. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the truth about starting a travel YouTube channel with no budget. Hey guys, welcome back to Elynn Adventures. If you're new here, my name is Elynn, and this channel is about travel, exploration, and documenting my journey as I grow into a travel content creator. But today's video is real. There's no fancy destination, there's no cinematic overseas footage, there's no big travel sponsorship, just honesty. Because I know there are so many people who want to start something, especially travel content, and they feel stuck because of money. If that's you, I want you to stay with me till the end because this video might change the way you think about your beginning. Let's talk about the uncomfortable truth. If you don't have a travel budget, to start questioning everything. You ask yourself, where will I go? What will I feel? Will people even watch? Am I starting too early? And to be honest, I asked myself the same question because I thought travel YouTube meant planes, hotels, new countries, constant movement until reality hit me. Travel content is not about distance, it's about perspective. And perspective does not require money, it requires creativity. There was a moment I almost stopped myself from starting. I kept thinking, maybe I should wait until I can afford proper travel. Maybe I should wait until I have better equipment. Maybe I should wait until I go somewhere big. But then I realized something powerful. If I keep waiting for money to start, then I'll never start at all because there'll always be something missing. So I made a decision to start with what I have, not what I lack. And that changed everything. So, what do you do when you don't have a travel budget? Let me break down from my experience. Number one, you start locally. You don't wait for international trips. You explore your city, your neighborhood, nearby towns, and everyday life. Because sometimes the most beautiful stories are already around you. Number two, you use your voice. Even without travel footage, you can still create value. You talk about your travel dream, places you want to visit, what you are learning, and your journey as a beginner because people connect with honesty. Number three, you document the process, not just the destination. And this is important. Instead of waiting for travel clips or perfect travel clips, you document your starting point, your preparation, your learning, and your growth because the beginning is part of the story too. Number four, you build consistency before luxury. Consistency is more important than location because even big travel creator started something small. Let me pause here and talk to you directly. Have you ever wanted to start something but felt limited by money? Be honest with me. And also, if you could start traveling now for free, where would you go first? Drop your answers in the comments. One thing I've learned is this: starting imperfectly teaches you more than waiting perfectly. Because when you start early, you learn faster, you adapt quickly, you grow your confidence, and you discover your real style. And most importantly, you stop overthinking because action replaces fear. Even though I don't have a big travel budget yet, I already have something valuable: the beginning. And the beginning matters more than you think. So, here is the truth about starting a travel YouTube with no travel budget. It's not easy, It's not perfect, but it's possible. And it can be powerful too, because you don't need everything to start. You just need to start and let everything else build along the way. If you like this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe to Elynn Adventures, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. And I want to ask you one final question. Do you think you need money first or courage first? I'll be reading your answers in the comments below. This is Elynn Adventures. Until next time.